In this video, we're going to explain what a job traveler, also known as a production work order traveler, is and what its typical elements are. A job traveler, or work order traveler, is a document in paper or electronic form that follows a work order throughout its entire production lifecycle. It is released at the start of production and travels from station to station, providing step-by-step instructions on what to do and showing the current status of the order. Let's look at the typical elements of a job traveler. Element 1. Header data. The header section identifies the document and provides key references. Typically, header data provides detailed information about the job reference, such as job name, job number, sales order, customer name, job status and start and completion dates. Additionally, part details are provided, including part name, part quantity, part number, and part revision level. Element 2. Operations sequence. This is the core of the job traveler. It lists all required operations in the correct sequence and guides operators on how to proceed. Examples. Operation 1 describes the drilling process step, requiring adherence to the drilling instruction WI 1002. Operation 2 describes the riveting step, requiring the application of 10 newtons when riveting. Once each step is completed, the status should be updated accordingly. Each operation, or the entire work traveler, should reflect the current job, operation, status, which can be work in progress, WIP, on hold, completed, scrapped, or reworked. Element 4. Output. The output section summarizes the final results of the work order. So what are the benefits of using a job traveler? Ensures standardized production flow, improves traceability from raw material to final product, reduces production errors and misunderstandings, provides clear responsibilities at each operation, supports quality audits and compliance requirements, enables real-time visibility of order status. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into manufacturing, quality, and process management.